Hello everyone, and welcome back to American English. Today we are going to be learning about the order of adjectives in the B1 level course. So, in the previous courses, we learned about adjectives, and we can revise that by repeating what an adjective is. So, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. For example, here, black is an adjective because it describes the jacket. Leather is also the adjective because it also describes what the material is of the jacket. And here I have two examples where the two adjectives are interchangeable. And today in this lesson we are going to be learning about the order of adjectives and which adjectives go first, second, third, and so on and so forth. So, the order of adjectives. In English, it is common to use more than one adjective to describe a noun, but these adjectives must be used in a proper order. So, as I've told you, in these two examples, a black leather jacket and a leather black jacket, and we need to learn in which order is the proper adjective placement. Is it the pink choice or the blue choice? So, there are several types of adjectives, and the acronym for that is gnosis comp. And gnosis comp is the acronym for number, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. So there are 9 different types of adjectives in the English language, and today we are going to be covering them and in which order they go. So the first one, we have an opinion adjective, which explains what you think about something. Other people may not agree with you. For example, the adjectives beautiful, handsome, hideous, ugly, good-looking, friendly, rude. All of those adjectives are subjective, so that is a person's personal opinion about something. For example, this song is lovely. This can change from person to person, and in my opinion, since this is an opinion adjective, I think that this song is really nice. But in somebody else's opinion, they might think that it's not nice and they might not like it as much. So, the second type of adjective is the size adjective. So size adjectives tells you how big or small something is. And these types of adjectives, of course, include big, small, huge, humongous, tiny, teeny. Anything that regards size is a size adjective. Then we have age. And an age adjective tells you how young or old something or someone is. So these types of adjectives include young, old, ancient, new, and etc., which describe the age or how old something is. And then shape. A shape adjective describes the shape of something. This is pretty straightforward. There are different types of shapes like square, round, square, circle, rectangle, cylindrical, and any other types of circles. And those will all be considered shape adjectives. Then we have color. A color adjective describes the color of something. So blue, pink, red, black, turquoise, green, purple, and any other color describing a noun will go after the opinion, size, age, and shape adjective. But then we have the origin adjective, which describes where something or someone comes from. For example, I'm from Almaty, and let's say this book is from the United States. So it describes where something comes from, where something is published, manufactured, where they're born, where someone is born from, where something is created, and overall it just covers the origin of a place, thing, someone, and everything, any noun. And then we have material adjectives, which describe what something is made of. These adjectives include wooden, metal, cotton, paper, etc. For example, my watch is made out of rubber, I think. This is a rubbery material. And my clothes are made out of cotton. And then our very last adjective is a purpose adjective. And a purpose adjective describes what something is used for, which purpose adjectives usually end with the ending ing. And here we have a couple examples. For example, sleeping. Sleeping is usually used as a verb, but in this sense we use it as an adjective. For example, a sleeping bag. A sleeping bag doesn't mean that sleeping isn't used as a verb in this phrase. It's used as an adjective which describes what this bag is used for, and this bag is used for sleeping. And then we have a couple examples of how the order of adjectives takes place. For example, here we have a wonderful old Italian clock. So here first we have opinion, which was the very first type of adjective, and then we have age, then we have origin. So this is all going by the list and the order of the adjectives, and we can easily remember this by the acronym Gnosis Comp. So a big square blue box. So we have size, shape, and then color. Big, square, blue. And then we have a disgusting pink plastic ornament. We have the opinion, saying that this person thinks that this ornament is disgusting. We have the color, and then we have the material, which is plastic. Then we have some slim new French trousers. We have the size, the age, and the origin. The age is new. So I have a couple exercises where you have to rearrange the order of the adjectives to place them into a coherent sentence. So we have the sentence, I found and then we have the adjectives rectangular, small, and wooden box in my sister's room. So now we have to figure out in which placement this goes. And of course, we have, following the Gnosis Comp rule, we have size, shape, and then material, which is last. So the sentence would sound like, I found a small rectangular wooden box in my sister's room. In any other order, these adjectives would sound out of place and wrong. And then in the second one, we have, the shop assistant put the gift into a bag. What kind of bag is this? It's a brown, small paper bag. So I'll pause the video, and then we can figure out that first we have size, color, and then material. So the sentence is, the shop assistant put the gift into a small brown paper bag. And then the third one, we have, I bought shirts to wear. What kind of shirts? Hideous turquoise 7. So the very first one is the number, and we have the opinion, and then we have the color. So I bought 7 hideous turquoise shirts to wear. So thank you for learning with us, and I hope I get to see you again in the next lesson, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.